Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your JBC DDSD for optimal performance. We're gonna explain how to connect the different parts of your setup, including tools, cables, stands, and stations. First, plug the power cord into the DD. Next, take the stand cable and connect it to port 1 of the DD. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the add stand. Place the T245 on its stand, then connect the tool cable to it. Now, plug the stand cable into port 2 of the DD. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the DTS stand. Place the DT530 on its stand, then connect its tool cable to it. Take the MSE module and place it on top of the DDE. Mount the end of the suction cable onto the suction connector of the MSE. Next, plug the module cable into the in port of the MSE. And connect the other end of the module cable to the peripherals port. Now you just need to plug the power cord of the MSE. Then attach the tool cables to the respective cable collectors. Finally, go to Menu, Peripherals, Module, and select MSEA. Your soldering station is now fully connected and ready to use.